how's the so what have you been doing during the lockdown then?
During the lockdown, I've just been on YouTube and reading recipe cookbooks just to try new things because I keep eating the same foods in like rotation, not like every day of the week, but I'll mix and match. But I needed to like widen the things that I eat, so I've started to make things like chicken Alfredo, started to make cod battered fish,
Ooh.
started to make yogurt, apple crumble, desserts. And I think next I'm going to start to research how to make Italian food because I think it's very interesting. It's nice.
Yeah, Italian food is really, really delicious. I can't eat it because one of the babies is dairy and soya intolerant, so I can't.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, so you must be like on like hemp milk and things
Yeah,
like that,
I'm
yeah?
on almond milk. What's hemp milk?
Hemp is like it's hemp, isn't it? Like
I don't know what hemp is.
hemp is like they can use hemp to like make it into materials like jeans and
Oh, okay.
t-shirts and stuff. It's sort of it belongs to the weed plant,
Okay.
but it's not like skunk like a strong weed like that stuff that's in.
Yeah.
It's like a milder, more natural version. But with that plant, there's so many things that you can do with that. You can have a drink out of it, make hemp milk.
Oh.
You can use the material to make anything. It's really good.
I didn't know about hemp milk. So it's organic. It's not an animal. It's actually like a plant.
It's from it's extracted. It's sort of like aloe vera.
Oh, okay.
Sort of, but aloe vera is a bit like fake, isn't it?
Yeah.
But hemp milk is real. It's actually really good.
I'll try some of that. Where would you get that? I've never seen that
You
on.
can see it in Tesco's, Sainsbury's. Like it should be next to where the soya milk is, but it's an alternative
Okay.
for people that are allergic to soya.
Okay,
That's good.
have a look at it. And go back a little bit. Thank you. Yeah, I haven't had it. I always thought, I don't know, I thought hemp was an animal. I was like, oh, it's not an animal.
Hemp seeds as well are good inside of oats, porridge.
Okay.
Hemp seeds in porridge, very healthy.
Hemp seeds and porridge, that's really wonderful.
Marion, you're such a star for what you're doing. Like people like you who do this work are doing something for humanity.
Oh.
You know, it's so cool. It's like it's just so cool. It's very artistic as well, in a sense. Like you get that creative like feeling from it, right?
Yeah.
I feel the same when I cook food. Someone's like, "Oh, like your food's nice. It makes me happy."
Yeah.
What you're doing to my feet, it makes me exceptionally happy.
Yeah.
Like more than happy than eating food.
Because I guess like it's quite satisfying, isn't it? Like having like this is like, and you can feel it on your foot, and just watching it kind of scrape off, or feeling it scrape off is just a good feeling, isn't it?
Yeah.